welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to transfer or modify your power bill address in Canada. Whether you're moving or just need to update your billing information, the process is simple but varies by province and provider. First, notify your current electricity provider at least 5 to 10 business days before your move to avoid service disruption. Provide your account number, move out date, and new address. Then, contact the utility company for your new location to set up service. Most will require your contact details, new address, and a valid ID. In Ontario, Toronto Hydro and Electra offer easy online options. In Quebec, Hydro-Quebec lets you update your address through their customer space. BC Hydro in British Columbia and EPCOR or Direct Energy in Alberta also offer online or phone support for transfers. Don't forget to set up Canada Post mail forwarding and notify other services like internet and insurance. This ensures a smooth move with no missed bills or interruptions.